Hi everybody! Welcome to your Week 1 overview for Humanities 103 Mythology. I'm your instructor, Rebecca Goodrich. If you're new to Canvas, I want to give you just a few tips to get started. So you'll navigate to canvas.wsu.edu and you should see your dashboard that has tiles for each of the courses that you're enrolled in. So when you click on the tile for Humanities 103, it will take you to our homepage, which looks like this. Now your course number might be slightly different because I teach a couple of sections of this course, and I'm certainly not going to re-record an overview for each course. So anyway, this is what it will look like. You'll always have those two sidebars that have all the tabs that help you navigate through the course material. So the very first thing I'd like you to do this semester is go to the syllabus. Now I know that a lot of the information in your syllabus is exactly the same from one course to the next. There's quite a bit of information that WSU puts out. However, there's also lots of important information that is specific to our course and this semester. So please read through the whole thing. If you have any questions at all, please contact me. The most important thing you need to know right now is that there is nothing you need to buy for this course. All of the readings, the videos, everything that you need will be provided for you on our Canvas course site. The first thing you want to do each week is navigate to the course schedule. There you'll see a list of everything that is required for that particular week. You'll see here in this screenshot that the first 2 weeks of the semester we'll be working in Module 1, which is Introduction to Myth. Your first assignment or first work will usually be due on Thursday of that week, and then there will often be something due on Sunday. Now this isn't exactly the same every week, so that's why it's important to check the course schedule. For this week, you'll see that you need to watch the Week 1 overview, which is what you're doing right now. Then you'll need to navigate to modules, look for Week 1, and by Thursday you'll have to post part 1 of your discussion, and then by Sunday you'll have to post your peer reviews. I'll show you what those are in just a minute. Here's a screenshot of the modules for this week. Please start by reading that post there. It says, "Welcome to Humanity 103. There's some really important information in there that will set you up for success for the rest of the semester in this class. For this week, you'll see that you have several readings and a video. So this week we're really working on what is the definition of myth that we'll be using for this semester. So if you've done any reading before or maybe taken a class in mythology, you might have actually gotten slightly different definitions, or maybe you have a different definition in your mind, but we all need to get together on the same page. What do we mean by myth? So that's what you'll learn in that very first reading. You'll see there at the bottom, discussion number 1, introduce yourself. If you click on that, it will take you to the discussion page. So this is an example of what most discussions look like. There is often a part 1 and a part 2, and sometimes part 1 is even divided into 1A and 1B. For this week, part 1B, you'll see I've even specified how many words I'd like you to do, how many points you get for that part of the discussion, and when it's due. I'd like you to introduce yourself to the class, so just give us a sense of, who you are, what's your major, what do you study at WSU, where do you call home? I think we have people literally from all around the globe taking this course this semester. And what do you do for fun and relaxation when you're busy working on your schoolwork? Part 2 will require you to have read all of the readings for this week, and you'll be responding to that. So I won't be reading that for you. I'm sure you're capable of that. But remember, if you have any questions at all, please post your question in the Ask the Instructor discussion forum. That way, if I answer it, or even if another one of you answer it, everybody can benefit from that. If you have something that's of a more personal nature that you would like to communicate with me about, then please send me an email at rgoodrich.wsu.edu. Well, that about wraps up all I have for you this week. I have chat office hours every Tuesday from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Pacific time. And what that means that in the course chat space, I am monitoring it. So if you have a question or would like to have an online conversation with me, just jump on the chat and post your question and we can get together. If you would like to set up either a phone conversation or Zoom, just give me a message on my email and we can set that up for you. All right, I hope you're off to a good spring 22 semester, and I'll be talking to you later.